Video 9. How to create arc. In this video, I will show you how to create an arc in Allplan. Create an arc to create a door for the area to show. On this surface, I instruct you to create one door, doors for the bedroom and restroom areas. Before creating the door, I will guide you to create 2D for the door frame, 50 centimeters from the wall edge. Create door edges. Select the line on the toolbar. Enter the door frame data 50 centimeters from the wall edge. The opposite side uses the copy and mirror commands. View the operations performed on the display screen. To start creating, select Circle command. See, done as on the screen. Then choose the first point. Select the second point. Then click on position 1. Rotate quarter circle to select the point 2. Press Escape to exit the command. Create more 2D details for the door. View the operations performed on the display screen. Similarly, create doors for the restroom location. In other places, there are also toilets, but in different directions. We will copy, then turn and mirror for the door position in the right direction. On the screen, I have created all the necessary objects. I invite you to watch the next video on how to create openings for the ground.